Ok, class, bienvenidos a otro ejercicio. En este ejercicio se trata de adjetivos. Vamos a aprender unos adjetivos que describen varias cosas en nuestra clase de tomar la orden de comida. Así que estos adjetivos son para describir platillos, comidas. Después de este ejercicio de adjetivos, en este ejercicio vamos a ver los contrarios. Así que aquí vas a aprender vocabulario de restaurante, doble, un adjetivo y su contrario. Después de ese vamos a ver un ejercicio donde tenemos literalmente que poner las frases del mesero con el cliente participando durante todo el proceso de tomar la orden de comida. Aquí tenemos las frases, solo es insertarlas y poner todo en orden para saber cómo funciona el proceso de tomar la orden de comida de principio a fin. Nos va a servir mucho este ejercicio 4 con las burbujas de conversación del mesero y del cliente para organizar nuestro guión como si fuera una película con nuestro mesero, cliente y ponerlo en la orden correcta para que tú lo puedas hacer en el restaurante. Vamos a hacer estos ejercicios todos en inglés, incluyendo las instrucciones para que te enfoques mucho y puedas lograr estas actividades en inglés. Okay, let's tell the client, tomatoes, ma'am. Number 8. Tomatoes, ma'am, and some other vegetables. Tomatoes and other vegetables. She wanted the main ingredient is tomatoes. I don't really like tomatoes. No ratatouille for me. Let's go to the next one. Okay. The guest says, well done, please. Well done. Okay. Looks like we have some steak right here, right? Some steak. Well done. Well done, please. Well done. Okay, let's look for some phrases with steak. What is the question for the temperature of the steak? Okay, we have this one still available. How would you like your steak done? 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 That is letter C. That's the perfect question. And the guest will say, well done, please. How would you like your steak done? Ma'am, sir, how would you like your steak done? Well done, please. Well done. Letter D. The guest has a question. What are your specialties today? What are your specialties today, please? Today, the specialties. What are your specialties? We have some fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. We have some fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. From Belgium. This week. That's the specialty. What are your specialties today? We have some fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. Excellent. Let's review. Are you having a starter, ma'am? Yes, I like the asparagus to begin with. What is the main ingredient in ratatouille, please? Tomatoes, ma'am, and other vegetables. How would you like your steak done, sir? Well done, please. Excuse me, what are your specialties for today? We have some fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. Let's go to the next one, letter E. I'll have the steak, please. Number 6 looks good. What would you like for the main course? What would you like for the main course? I'll have the steak, please. What would you like for the main course? What would you like for the main course? I'll have the steak, please. Letter F. Could I have an extra order of ratatouille with my main course? Could I have an extra order of ratatouille with my main course? Yes, of course. Of course, ma'am, absolutely. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. One more. The customer said, yes, that's correct. And yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, that's correct. We need 2 more. Oh, perfect. Number 5, are you ready to order now, ma'am? Yes, I am ready. Are you ready to order now, ma'am? Are you ready to order now, ma'am? Yes, I am. And the last one, repeat the order. They said, yes, that's correct. I'll repeat the order. I'll repeat the order. Asparagus to start. That's the starter, the first course in England. Steak well done. Everything is 1, 1, 1. And extra order of ratatouille. Is that right? Yes, that's correct. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Now we have all our phrases complete. Let's look at our phrases. So here's the guest. participating, and we are the waiters. Now let's put them in the correct order. Are you ready to order now? Yes, I am. So we have that. Letter H, the last one is the number 1. Are you ready to order now, ma'am? Yes, I am ready to order. Let's organize everything right here in exercise 5. So basically, we just need these phrases here. Are you ready to order now, ma'am? We have the first one, it's ready for us. They said, yes, I am. Which one is next? I guess we need to order, right? She said, I'm ready. Repeat the order? No. The guest is next. What do you think the guest said? They want to order? Probably, what are your specialties for today? Okay, let's prepare our script. They probably want to know what are the specialties. What are your specials for today? The specials for today? We have fresh asparagus. From Belgium, fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. What's next? The waiter is next. Are you having a starter? Are you having a starter? Yes, I'll have the asparagus. Oh, she wants the special. Excellent. She wants the special. Oh, let me organize this real quick. So, are you having a starter, ma'am? You know what? Yes, I will have a starter. Let me get I'll have the asparagus. To start. Next. Which one do we need right here? Maybe they have a question. Or maybe we go to the main course. The waiter is next, the waiter.